All right, what's up, y'all? Welcome back to another video. Today we're out in beautiful Idaho, just north of Island Park, the Yellowstone Teton territory, and we're gonna be fishing a small stream in hopes of catching some nice cutties, maybe some brookies. We'll kind of see what we get, but anyways, it's gonna be a fun video. We're gonna be camping tonight, so right now we're just driving around trying to find a campground, and when we do, I'll pick up the camera. Okay, well, we found our campsite here. It's perfect, right along the stream. I'm gonna be sleeping in the truck tonight, and then, so yeah, hopefully we can pull out some fish out of here. Looks gorgeous, so let's do it. Okay, well, slight change of plans. Originally, we were gonna come fish for a little this evening, but we ended up talking to some fellow anglers, getting some intel for like the last half hour or so. So we're just gonna pick up some wood, head back to camp, make up a fire, and start cooking. All right, just collected some smaller sticks here for the fire. So bring this back to camp, get the fire going, and start cooking. Okay, well, it's already kind of dark, but I'm hoping you can still see a little bit. But anyways, we got the fire going. We're just gonna cook up some tacos right now. So I'm gonna film that. All right, we got all of our ingredients out here now. We got the pan, of course, ground beef, beans, cheese, tortillas. Let's get it cooking. Also need to get this can of beans open here. So pop those over. I forgot the can opener, of course, but knife works just as good, in theory. There we go. Yeah, it did. Let's get some fire. Here we go. Here we go. This is starting to cook up real nicely here. Got the beans going there. About ready to add the seasoning in here. Let's do that. Pop that seasoning can in here. Fish seasoning packet in here. We'll be ready to go. Got that seasoning mixed up. Back in she goes. All right, I'm just gonna get some tortillas warmed up here now. See how hot this is. There's a little heat coming off that log there. We'll just toss them on right like that. These guys a flip maybe. Starting to warm up. There we go. All right, here we go. Okay, well, I just tried to go fly my drone around, but it seems to be broken. The gimbal on it, the camera is not rotating, staying in a fixed position. So the footage is coming out terrible. So that really sucks. But anyways, we're gonna get camp set up. I'm sleeping in the truck tonight. I'll show you the setup and then cook and hit the hay, and hopefully get up in the morning and catch some big old cutties. Okay, so here's the camp setup inside the truck bed. I'll flip this camera around and show you. So here's the setup here. It's a little tight, but I got my sleeping bag, pillow, fleecy underneath it in case I need it. So I have a Chevy Colorado and it's crew cab. So this is about 5 feet here, a little over maybe. So it's a little tight. I'm about 6 foot, but it's not bad. We finished off the night with a little hot chocolate, then decided to hit the hay in hopes of catching some big fish in the morning. All right, well, good morning. It's about 7:30 now. We ended up moving from the back seat of the truck into the passenger seats. Yeah, I got a little cramped back there and my brother was freezing outside. So anyways, like I said, it's about 7:30 now. We're gonna go clean up camp and hopefully get on the water here soon. We got about a 40-minute hike up to the spot we want to fish today, so hopefully it goes well. Well, we left camp, we made it to the spot where we need to park, and then we got about a 40-minute walk upriver to get to where we want to fish. So anyways, we're gonna throw on the gear and let's get to it. Well, we soon made our way to the spot, but I didn't record due to some people fishing just upstream of us. So enjoy as we jump right into the fishing action. Like 5 feet in front of us, you could try to get. You don't even really have to cast. There we go, big one, T. Huge one, T. Huge one. Oh my gosh. No! Did you see the size of that? After losing probably the biggest trout of my life, I got back in there in hopes of catching another fish. And just a few casts later, we were hooked up. Hey T, catch the net. Hold on, he's not gonna like that. He's not ready. And try getting him over in this calm stuff down here. It's pretty big. Or we can pull him in right here. Just give him my forearm a pump. Okay, he's ready. Oh, I thought. Here, I'll bring him to you. What?
Did you say about bringing him to you?
Trying to.
That was funny. You said that?
All right, there you go. I'm not gonna like this, so. Here we go, first fish of the day. Beautiful cut bow. He just mossed you.
Good job.
After releasing that fish, we got back in the water and hoped catching another. There's a massive fish beneath me. Oh, there's a fish. Hey T. Right here you can hear me yelling at my brother T-Bob to come help with the net. Hey T-Bob. Hey T. T-Bob. 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 Hey T-Bob. There we go. Ever net right here. Hang. Let's get him in.
Is that your biggest cutty? Dang, that's huge.
After releasing that fish, we hooked up with another fish at the very next cast. Cutty. I don't think this one might not need netting. Yeah, never mind. He's coming alive now. Oh, this is, it might be big.
What?
This might be bigger than my last one. Here it comes, here it comes, here it comes. Wait for him to turn. Okay, it's gonna come up. Here we go. Look at him. And just like that, boom. I had my biggest cutty ever. That might be longer than the last one.
Yeah, I think
he's just
so.
Skinny. All right, third fish of the day. This one's pretty skinny, but he's decently long. Beautiful cutty. Here we go. Let's get him in. All right, so I've gotten 3 fish now, some really beautiful cutties and hybrids. So now we're just gonna see if my brother can get one on. So I'm gonna do my very best to help guide him into a fish. So he's got my rod right now. Hair's here down to a Duracell. That last one ate the Duracell, so let's hope he can get one. Here, you wanna use this rod?
Sure.
Okay, let me just show you real quick.
Yeah.
So, about 6, 2 left, you can take the spot. Cast up in there, and then with this hand, you strip to keep up with that green line. And you want as little of it on the water as possible, because when you go to set the hook, sometimes that line gets buried underneath the water. So yeah, you can't. So there's kind of like that seam of the fast, slow, right in there. And then you just pull it, pull it, pull it. And sometimes it doesn't go fully under. If it stops, or just does anything weird, you set the hook. Because a lot of them, I haven't even seen them eat the bobber. Or yeah, the bobber move. Yeah. So, here you go. Nice job, bro. Don't pull him in any further. Just lift your rod. But he's gonna run. He's gonna take off. Probably. Okay, keep more tension on him. Put more pressure on him. There we go. My brother's hooked up with his first ever cutty. See if we can land it. Not fighting you too much?
No,
Might just be a lethargic, nasty fish.
yeah.
Well, bring him in. We'll see.
Might have already been caught today, so.
He might take off when he sees the net, so be ready for that. Oh, he wants to fight now. Oh, too much line out. Keep some pressure on it. Sorry, I didn't mean to go. You want to keep a nice bend in that rod. You got 6-pound lines. You're pretty good. Okay, now just start lifting up instead of pulling in. Yep. Give him a lift. It's a long fish. Okay, he's right here, so. If you can, get him in the slow water. Oh, he's giving up soon. Woo, that's a long fish. He's not fat, but that's long.
All right, I can take the net.
Bend down with it. There you go. It's a beautiful, beautiful fish.
Ready?
There he goes. All right, well, now that my brother caught that fish, we're gonna head out now. It's been a lot of fun, some amazing fishing, but the sky's looking kind of overcast. Some clouds rolling in. We don't want to get caught in a rainstorm, so we're gonna head out. It's been a blast. Good last night of camping, fun times. So thank you all for watching. If you liked it, please go down, like, comment, or subscribe. All that helps so much. So catch you in the next one.